Welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from the 85th annual topics that you've heard throughout the panel discussions.
So it's some of the same stuff that we've been hearing all year. A lot of CAT, a lot of Access Fee Pilot, a lot of what have we learned from the tick size pilot as well. It's been really interesting to hear everyone's views.
Right, but I think in addition to that, there's this buzz around cryptocurrency this year as well. And now it's the first time in a big institutional setting like this, since I've covered it, that we're hearing that buzz. And I also think there's a lot going on with technology. And it feels, instead of a lot of blocking and tackling that we've seen over the past couple of years, this is a very forward-looking conference. Did you pick up on that also?
Yeah, I would say so. You know, thinking about how is blockchain going to apply to the industry. I remember hearing someone talk about how, you know, would T plus now settlement really be something that we're interested in, or would it be, you know, kind of something that's not good for us with the idea of like leverage and not being able to have trades over multiple days.
Right. So how are you handling that over at WallachBeth? You know, the CAT is a huge project. All the other things that you're required to do through compliance, I would imagine it takes a lot of time, resources.
It does, and the whole idea is just staying on top of things. It's coming to these types of events, learning what's going on, industry trends, and you know, just working with our compliance team and making sure that we're ready for all these changes.
Another big issue that came up as well is liquidity, and I think any conference that you go to, whether it's FIA, OIC, STA, liquidity is always going to be front and center. What did you pick up on from here?
Yeah, I mean, the liquidity in small caps specifically was something that was talked about a lot. Just talking about how, you know, the tech pilot was supposed to bring liquidity back. We didn't really see that happen. Also surprising was talking about high price stocks, like stocks over $1,000, and how the liquidity is not there because spreads are so wide and such. You know, you might not see that in a stock like Amazon, but in something else.
Well, it's interesting because the Access Fee Pilot is the next thing that the industry is working on. I'm wondering if there was lessons learned from the tick pilot that will be applied to that, because again, I think liquidity is the big issue.
Yeah, I mean, one thing that I've been hearing everyone say is that we really need to take a step back and see what is the real problem that we're trying to solve, instead of just kind of throwing stuff at the wall and saying, hey, will this fix it?
Well, thank you so much for joining us on set.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining me throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter.